cute little box. The background was this, pink, and I like that. And I like that it's pink around the edges. But I just took a little Fusion Mineral Paint and raw silk and went over the spine. And I went over the top of it. I have taken this book and measured it on the inside here, because what we're going to do is we're going to put the foam in here and we're going to make it like a little jewelry tray or jewelry holder. I'm going to use this European Excellency napkin. This came in the floral bundle. And I have this seersucker material. Sears sells it and suckers buy it. I had to do that joke. So anyway, it's a seersucker pinstripe pink, and I thought it looked really pretty with this napkin, right? We've got to make the foam first. Okay, so here, this is what we're gonna do. I bought this like maybe 20 years ago at Walmart or Meijer, one of the two, and it was $5 at Black Friday. It's my turkey cutter, but sometimes, once in a while, I use it for foam. And then I clean it really good, and then, you know, at Thanksgiving, my family says, this turkey tastes a little foamy. All right, so here we go. Like my bad jokes and my projects, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my new uploads. And hey, I just might grow on you. Reminds me of the time that I took my husband's hedge trimmers at our first house. I said, how hard could it be? She said. He came home and went, oh my gosh. It was fun. You had to be there. I'm evening it up, in case you're wondering what I'm doing here. I'm just evening it up so that it fits in here. Look at that. Boom. Needs a little bit more evening. I'm having flashbacks of the hedges. And P.S., we were Lee Landscaping. We owned a landscaping business. Can you imagine? I'm coming home to that. Oh my word. That was funny. You had to be there. All right, so what I'm going to do is like we got 6.5 inches here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this kind of, like I'm going to put a little mark every inch here. One here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one there. Show you what I got. See what I'm saying here? We got enough depth in all of them. So what I did is I have this long piece of fabric. Now, fabric tack, this is the Hobby Lobby version. It's called Fabrifix. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the Fabrifix and we're going to take it from the top. And we are going to put our first bead of glue in that first rung. And we're going to make sure that we have enough fabric to go down over the edge and get tucked in and glued in. You know what? This is wasting a lot of fabric. I think I'm going to just pull it over some. We're going to pull it over. And then I'm going to open this up and tuck that down in the glue in that little hole. Use my little stick, just kind of push it down in like this, little dowel. Pull it over like this, and then get your stick in there and give it the rub. Just kind of rub it down in there, and then you go to your next one. I'm really trying to get organized around here. Tell me in the comments what kind of jewelry organizers you use for your sparkle. Help a girl out. I'm going to take my sharp scissor here, and we're going to get rid of a little bit of the excess on the edge. Ouch. All right, so now we've got this, see, like that. And all you're going to do is you're going to upholster this little piece of foam. You don't have to worry about the back because it's going to be glued down to the inside of this box. See? So what I like to do is the ends first. I have my hot glue, I have it on low temp. So all I'm going to do is run a bead of glue right at the end here. And fold this over carefully. I want to pull it too tight because you don't want to misshape your foam. Both ends. Okay. All I'm doing is trimming these edges here, the excess fabric, taking off the corners. Actually, this is way longer than I need it to be. Let's straighten it out a little so that when I glue it, it's not quite so. All I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this fabric over and pull it up over the edge of the foam and get it started, and then we're going to go right down the line and glue it up. And some of this is still sticking up, but that's okay. It's like I said, you're not going to see it because it's going to be on the inside of the box, all tucked in there. See? See there? Boom. We're just gonna, now I'm gonna dig it back out. I put some glue in here, right? Just like that. Okay, look at this, guys. Boom. We're gonna make it cute though. I wanna make it cute. Give me my Mod Podge. Okay, I'm gonna do this pretty little European Excellency napkin. And you need a little chippy brush. I'm gonna lay this down here like that, right in the middle. And get rid of the wrinkles with the chippy brush. And kind of do a little pounce. You lay it down a little at a time. Get rid of your wrinkles. And I'm going to go all the way down around the spine. Like that. Now this will be great for your earrings, your rings, and all the things. If you're a jewelry hound like me. So what you do is you take your little gator sander, or if you have a sanding block of sorts, you just kind of go around it on a downward angle. It's just going to fall right off. like that. Napkins are easy peasy. Once it's good and dry, I'll probably go over it with a sealer, Mod Podge sealer. Isn't it a pretty, gorgeous napkin? Ta-da! On the inside, right? And I'm going to dry it just a little bit. Just a second. I just take a little bit on my finger, and I'm just going to go over the edge like this. I love a gold edge on pink. This looks so pretty and vintage-ish. Vintage-ish. Is that a word? Okay. Going right across the top. Pretty gold. I say go a little heavy-handed at the edges and the corners because that's where books would be typically touched. Do both sides. I want to do the pages in this pretty bling that I got from Amazon. It's like just bling on a, and it comes in sets of, I don't know, 4 or 5, 6, whatever. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this bling exactly the way it is in the width that is. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blings wide. That's a unit of measurement, in case you didn't know. 7 blings wide. And we're just going to start here. I'm going to do it in the middle. It's sticky. I mean, really sticky. And it's very forgiving. It stretches. It's great. It's a great product. Tight around them corners. Make sure they're good and tight. So the pages are blingy. Right? Lay down there. My biggest challenge is cutting it. There we go. Yeah, how pretty. It needed that, don't you think? Don't you think? Okay, so I'm gonna let you in on a secret. I didn't just do this. I took one of these Dollar Tree frames. I did the same thing so it'd be a set. So I took the Dollar Tree frame. I took it apart. Okay, so here's your backing. It goes inside the frame. It comes like this. I painted it the same kind of pink that this is, a kind of a pink. And I added a foam insert like this. I did one already, and I glued it to the backing of the frame. So all I have to do now is just tuck it in here really nicely. Gotta make sure that it's tucked in on all the corners and all the sides. It's real tight. It's a tight fit, but you can use this for your rings as well, and you can use this for your earrings. See, not your hook earrings. Obviously, you would use it for your posts. And then I'm just going to take this backing, and we're going to tuck it in there. Tuck it up underneath the flaps. Push it down, make your flat. The nice thing about foam is it's forgiving. You can push it down and make it do what you want, you know. Put my little thing up here. There we go. All right. And now, how cute would this to be sitting on a dresser or something like that? A matching set, right? And I'm going to actually take, I'm going to be very careful though not to touch the take this itty bitty stencil brush and go in here, and I'm going to give it some gold. earrings in it. I'm just going to poke a couple that I have in here. Show you how cute it looks. I'm going to put that in there like that. I just grabbed a few so you can kind of see how it works and how sweet, right? Make sure I didn't put it upside down. Anyway, so you've got some for you. Actually, I probably put my rings in this and my earrings in this one. I think that would be really pretty. Anyway, there's a matching set. How cute is that, right? It's really quick and easy project, and it doesn't cost a lot. And this would be a cute gift for a teen, I think. It would be a cute gift even for like a mom, a Mother's Day gift, a birthday gift, any kind of gift for a lady, a young lady, elderly lady. It really doesn't matter. I think that they would enjoy that, have that on their vanity. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for being here.